Capricorn. November isn't gentle. It's not here to comfort you. It's here to wake you up. For months, you've been holding on to timelines that expired, to people who stopped showing up, to versions of yourself that no longer fit the path you're walking. But November 2025 brings a truth that sounds like thunder. Let it go, or be dragged. Scorpio season is here, and with it, the death of illusions. Everything that falls now, falls for your freedom. This month is a collision between power and surrender. Scorpio wants truth. Mars in Leo demands courage. Together, they tear down what's fake and crown what's real. Capricorn, the universe isn't asking you to control this moment. It's asking you to trust it. Ask yourself, what have I been forcing to stay alive? What do I keep trying to fix, even when my soul wants to release it? This month, truth isn't cruel, it's cleansing. Every ending now is a sacred redirection. You're not losing power, you're learning where it truly belongs. Around the full moon in Taurus, peace and chaos meet face to face. Taurus wants safety, Scorpio wants evolution, and you stand between comfort and truth. Something in your material world may shake, a plan, a project, a relationship, a belief. Not because you failed, but because your energy no longer fits the old container. The lesson? You can't build peace on fear. You can't stay loyal to what drains you and still call it love. This full moon teaches you that comfort without authenticity is just another kind of cage. So when something ends, bless it. When silence comes, listen. When chaos rises, breathe. You're not being tested, you're being transformed. November is the month where endings become entrances, where control dissolves, and your soul begins to lead. Welcome to November 2025, Capricorn, the month everything shifts.